How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video will be the update on Cliff. Let me get old Cliff's card here. Cliff from GI Scale Mechanic. Y'all know he's got a motorcycle group build going on, and if y'all don't know Cliff, here's his shop card. I will leave a description below. Y'all get over there and subscribe to him. He does the Monday night live feeds. Sometimes I can join, sometimes I can't. I try it when I can. Those are very enjoyable. It's fun. Cliff's a heck of a guy. And this is what I'm working on right here. I got the MV AGUSTA 500cc. There you go, Cliff. Has to be 500cc and above. 3-cylinder. Alright, that's what we've been working on for a while. I kind of put it on pause because I've been doing, me and BG have been doing our small scale group build, and it's just now wrapping up. And to all you guys that have completed, thank you very much. And to the guys that didn't, hey, there's always next year. We will be doing it again next year. Appreciate you guys. Me and Brian have come to the collective that we're not going to do a video of everybody that had finished because there's so many. This was a huge group build. It'd be really hard between our schedules and stuff to get that going, but I am going to, here in a few days, have a video because we had so many people that don't have channels want to be a part of this group build, that I said that when y'all get done with them to email your videos, the ones that don't have channels, and I'm going to make a video for you, just you guys that don't have channels, of y'all's builds. So in my email address will be in the description below. As always, I put it in every video, so anybody ever wants to send me anything or anything like that, it's always down there. You can contact me, get my address, whatever you need, and if you need help or anything, it's always there, guys. And so to all you guys listening that haven't sent me pictures yet, please get them out to me, that way I can get a video made for you guys. I want you guys to be showcased. Okay, and then with that being said, I just got done watching Doc's video, and Jim Folkers, he had contacted me and several other people. You know, someone in our community was having a little hard times and stuff, and to send him something to cheer him up. Well, this is all Jim. Jim did everything. Jim, he's a hell of a guy, guys. I want y'all, here's his business card right here. It's JBJ Dirt Track Bodies. It's Jim Folkers, and I'm going to leave his Gmail address and everything, his business address, in the description below. He don't have a channel, but this guy's been around the community. He follows several of us. He is a great guy, and he sent out a care package to Doc, and you know, that just shows what kind of people we have in this community. This community is awesome. I've said it from the beginning, ever since I've been in it. You got great folks like Fred Henry, Pappy, which I got his car up here built. I just got to still do a final video on that. It'll come sometime over the weekend. You got Jeff that does so much for, I mean, you got a lot of people. Charlie Mack, I mean, I can't name them all, guys. BG, I mean, I can't go through and name them all. There's just too many, but everybody knows this is a great community, and Jim is one hell of a special guy. I will, and there's his card, if anybody, if it focus, but I will leave his description below. And if y'all ever want to get a hold of him, buy anything off of him or whatever, you know, and he sent me here a while back. I just hadn't had time to mess with them right now, but I've got them. And this is what he does. They do dirt track bodies for late models and roundy rounds and stuff like that. Does an excellent job. And any of your dirt track specialty needs, go to him. And it, like I said, it will be below. That guy did a heck of a job. It was an awesome thing that he did to reach out to somebody in the community that's having a few problems and stuff. We can't go into all that, you know, that's personal business and stuff. But I thought that was a stand-up guy. He is a very stand-up guy. So, y'all, he don't have a channel, you know, but you can always email him and thank him. And with that being said, let's see. Before I turn this around and show you what I've gotten done on the motorcycle, I went back to George's house. George Woods, everybody that knows me knows that I've been, he's a long time model buddy of mine, known him probably 30 years or so. I've known him for a long time. And we go to model shows, we build, we do all kinds of stuff together, we trade, we go back and forth. And I've been doing a series on George. And so the next installment will be sometime over the weekend. I'll get a video out with that. And Matt from Model Car Videos, you'll have to watch this because we got a proposition for you. Okay, but that'll be over the weekend, buddy. And with that being said, I want to thank everybody in the community. I want to thank my subscribers, all my subscribers, my old subscribers, my new subscribers, people just now come on to be a subscriber. Thank you very much. Always hit the like, share if you want. Appreciate it. And if you don't have a channel, hey, make one. We'll try to get your name out there. Let's see. What else was I going to do? See, I don't write nothing down, guys. I'm not scripted. I don't do nothing. I try to think off the top of my head, which I got a small brain. So, what was I gonna do? I don't remember, but I'll think of it after this. I'm gonna turn this around, guys, and show y'all the motorcycle build. Maybe. Alright, guys. I just remembered what I was going to say. Everybody go check out Rob Tibbetts. Go check his channel out. His description will be below. I'll give him a shout out. Try to get as many people over there to bump his subscription up, guys. He is a new guy to the community, and man, go check out his vintage kits. Check out his little museum he's got going on in his house, his model room. It's just unreal. The guy man, just go check it out. I can't explain it. Jeff Dunn did a shout out video to him. I'm gonna do a shout out video to him, guys. Get over there and check out him. Alright, but with that being said, let's start this. Alright, Cliff, everybody, here's what I'm building. I done showed you the box already. I still got the pipes, the chrome exhaust. It was molded in chrome. I got them dipped and stripping right now in the bleach, so I'll have to pull them out and start painting them black. Alright, this is what we're working on right now. I am putting the engine to the frame. I got the coolers here. I'm starting to get those. I don't know if you're going to be able to see in there or not. Alright, starting to get it all wired up, or tubed, all the tubing wired up. I had to break off where I had them glued on, my little air flutes there. I had to break 2 of them off so I could get in and get these plumbed up. So I had to glue those back on. I still got tubes that will come off of this right here and go up to the fuel tank. I guess those are fuel filters is what those are. And they will go up to they're clear tubes, and they'll go up to the fuel tank, which is the fuel tank right here. And I bumped the camera. There's 2 spots right there where the petcocks will come out, and that's where that will hook up. This frame, as you can see, is missing a bar. It goes through here, and it will go on later. I still got connected to the tree. Then we got the swing arm that comes out, which will be hooked up later. But right now you can see I got the coils. It's got 3 coils. You got a coil for each spark plug. Look at there. So it's a twin cam motor. Engine, I mean. Not motor, engine. You can see I got the red plug wires going to the coils. I think one of them's trying to come off there. I'm not sure. Okay. And then got your speedometer cable right here hooked up. I'm just getting everything hooked up because it takes a lot to do. Believe me, these things are tedious. The tank is going to sit on there like that, as you can see. And then, oh, I just dropped it. And then I'm going to show you this right here. Here's your front end. Got your brake coolers. Got your where your linkage, I guess, will go to. Your triple tree. And then that will go on there, of course. Once it's all, I'll have to kind of sand it down and get it to fit in there a little bit better. But you know where it's going. Let me pull that out before, because I don't want to start that just yet. But you know it's going to set up in there like that. If it'll focus. So that's what we got going on there. I showed you the tank. This is the tank. Got the decals on it. Here's the fairing. Got the decals on there. There's a couple little wrinkle spots I couldn't get out, and then right here where they split. And you know, it's hard. It's hard to go around these curves with the decal set and solution and everything. It's still hard. And this side looks pretty good. This side's not the best, and that sure ain't the best, but you know, it is what it is. That's how it's gonna work. Yeah, I got that glued to a dowel rod there. That way I can put a clear coat or whatever I want to do on it. Let's set that over there. That's how I painted it too. Then we got our chain and stuff and sprockets. Of course, you know that's going to go in there. You know how all that goes. Here's the back wheel, and here's the same thing. It's got a little brake dust cover, whatever you want to call it. And then your sprocket for the other side, just like that. A lot of little stuff to do. This goes right here. This is I don't know what kind of tube that is for sure, but it goes in here. I'll have to get in there after I get it all done, but that's it, guys. That's where I'm at. Like I said, getting all these little hoses, all these little tubes. It's a pain, but it will be a good looking model when I'm done, I'm hoping, unless I screw it up. Alright, guys. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. I will leave everybody's description below. I always check out everybody in the community. Subscribe. Always leave a like. A like helps generate people's videos and stuff. Always leave a like, guys. And you know, share if you want to. You know, that's just one of them things. Alright, guys. Peace.